Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox network. To know how to fix or to solve a Roblox network, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this page you'll enter to first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can choose to turn off your Wi-Fi or you can just turn off your phone. You can choose anything you want, or that can help you to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.